Well, hello again from Southeast Iowa Solar Haven. We're back at the TV. Today we got the parts in, and as you see, this is the old stuff still sitting here. And over here in the box, here's a new power board. I ordered these parts off of eBay, and I was really astonished when I cracked open the box. He had real good packing. They sent the remote module, the infrared remote module, and everything. I'll put this off to the side here. The ribbon cables, and of course, there's the power supply module board. And as I get down deeper inside of here, to unpack all this good stuff. I hadn't really played around with it that much, but yeah, he sent the whole board with the plastic bezel, more cables. Now, this cable here comes from the power supply section, and I'll lay this over here, and that was the typical packing. And I was really excuse me, you heard that. I was pleased. But I'll cover it up with my hand now if you can see this. TV repair experts in New Jersey. That's where it come from. Right there. Found them on eBay. I spent $39.95 for both the boards. And of course I had to pay shipping, which equaled out to about $53 or whatever. But yeah, he sent the power supply, the main TV board, this connecting cable, these ribbon cables, and down here's that module for the remote, which was really surprising because I only ordered the boards. So if TV repair part people sees this video, I want to thank them for their prompt service. Now I'm going to unplug this cable right here, if I can do this live with one hand. Show you something here. Wow. Alright. Most of these boards are plug-in modules. There's no screws in them. Right here you see this clip, and you see this clip, and there's another clip. What these boards do, they slide out. You have to lift this corner just slightly, and then you can just pretty well push these boards out, other than have to disconnect there. So they're fairly easy to work with and replace the boards. So let me replace the boards and I'll be back with you. Well, I'm back. Believe it or not, this whole thing here, replacing the two boards, less than 5 minutes. Probably it doesn't take long. I changed out the remote module just in case it does have to match this board. I didn't change the ribbon cables out because, well, the ribbon cables are fine, and the numbers match up right here on the end of the cables. They're the same cable, so I figured, well, there's nothing wrong with the cables, but there it is, all installed. Now I got one last thing I want to do, and I'm going to take and drill a hole in the back of this TV. I got my fan I'm going to use, thermal take fan. I'm going to slap it right on the back of it, right there in the back. I'll come over here. I'm going to take this big hole saw, connect it to my other thingies here, and drill a hole for that fan. That way I can cool it. So I'll probably have to power it from a different source because I didn't want to mess with anything on the main power board on those. So other than that, let me get this hole drilled out and this thing put back together. And then I'll get back with you. Well, I put the back on it and everything. Drilled a hole out for the fan, and as you can see, it's directly over that main board. I thought about putting 2 fans, but I figured with the airflow it's going to go across there, it'll get some airflow over there where the power supply is underneath that also. So let me get the other one disconnected, get the back plate put on there, get it hung up on the wall and connected up. Let's see if it works. Well, we're back. Guess what? She's working again, which kind of shocked me. But yeah, I got the fan hooked up. The coolest thing about the fan was the fact you can see right here, this wire leads, goes right inside the PC case and connects right onto the fan header inside there. Need to clean the dust off my window there, but yep, she's all working. So that's how you do it. You got a fan mod down there, kind of lights it up in the back. You can probably see it back there. Yeah, see, check it out. Nice, huh? Blue LEDs in the background. Nice. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from it. I'm a little bit wore out now, but still got things to do. Thanks for watching. And as you can see, solar powered PC technically. The power wall's still up there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, you know, all the humbo jumbo stuff. Stay safe. Be careful. I'm out of here, guys.